Welcome to Iceland. Join us as we explore the land of fire and ice for the next 41 days. Our journey started with a 29-hour flight from Manila to Bangkok, Bangkok to Zurich, and finally, Zurich to Keflavik Airport. It was a long journey, but the excitement of finally arriving in Iceland made every hour worth it. Day 1 in Iceland. Good morning! Good morning! For our first week, we rented a camper van and set off the ultimate rain road adventure, driving around the Iceland, waking up to the incredible views, and discovering the country's most iconic landscapes at our own pace. Arriving in Iceland! Woo! And ngayon, papasok na tayo sa underwater tunnel ng Iceland. Yes, tama ang narinig nyo. Under the sea tayo dumadaan. This tunnel runs beneath a fjord, so instead of driving all the way around the bay, you can cross under the water in just a few minutes. Ang dating mahaba at paikot na biyahe, naging mabilis at mas convenient. Mapapasana all na lang talaga tayo, Pinas. Over the next 7 days, we'll take you with us as we travel from South Iceland all the way to the north, discovering stunning waterfalls, dramatic landscapes, glaciers, black sand beaches, mountains, and hidden gems along the way.
Hi guys sa vlog ko.
Busy. First time mag-drive.
We are here.
Yeah, you can come inside, that's all we know.
So this is where the driver is.
What?
Yeah, passenger seat and kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kitchen. Yeah.
A kitchen, and where do you sleep?
Well, actually, we sleep up
Okay.
here.
So you can pull it down,
Yeah,
and it will be a bed. And this is the master's, right?
yeah, that's the master's
Master's
the
bedroom.
to the right.
Is there a shower inside?
Yeah, and you may be asking, wait, how does this transform into a shower, right?
Technology.
And we say simple. You take, of course, you gotta take out the mirror,
Oy oy oy. Technology.
and then
Wow.
you got this.
Is there a door on it?
Yeah, there's a door here.
Okay, nice.
First, you pull this out like that. Pull this out, and then that locks it in place.
Nice one.
And then you get the shower here.
Yung kanilang camping van.
Hello!
Hi guys sa vlog ko. Nilibot ko sila sa campers nila dito. Makita mo yun sa vlog. Upload mo to ah.
Oo nga!
Morning! Ganun talaga, akala niya na wala yung asawa niya. Breakfast time!
Good morning.
Morning,
Andito kami sa ano.
Sopas in Iceland.
Ito yung sopas
Hindi
namin.
mo mamimiss ang Pinas.
Ito yung aming cheese, goat cheese.
Goat cheese.
Yan, goat cheese. It's yummy. Napakasarap niyan. Ibang-iba. Wala sa Pilipinas.
Si mamang pala ang magaling mag-vlog. O
Ayan.
ang galing niya magsalita.
Ano ikaw naman?
Kami ito lang naman pala ito.
Uy! Bagong luto.
Yan.
Bawat camping site, merong mga power source kung saan pwede nilang isaksak yung mga kable nang sa ganun gumana yung electricity sa loob ng camper van. Ito naman yung camper van namin. Bigyan namin kayo ng house tour. Do you want a house tour?
What?
Sheesh! Kadaming arte. So, ito na nga guys. Pagpasok nyo, meron 2 beds na makikita. Parang medyo masikip siya pero pag nakahiga kayo dyan, comfy naman. And yan, pwede tayo magluto. Gagamitin yan. Meron din siyang ref sa baba. Ayan, pinapakita ni Daniel. And yan, may kasama na rin mga utensils na pwedeng gamitin na pangluto. And sa taas niyan, may sink yan. Hindi na namin naipakita. Ayan. Yung sofa na yan, nako-convert yan into bed. And ito rin yung toilet. Ang bilis, ano ba yan? Pwede kang umihi dyan, pero bawal kang umurna kasi mahirap linisin yung pinaka-tank niyan, guys. And so far, kasya naman kaming 5 dyan and comfortable din kasi may heater sa loob ng camper van. 5 yan, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi, Mom. How are you guys? I'm Uriah. What's your name? I'm Uriah. Oh, no! Si Asar. So ayan guys, yan yung una nating campsite dito sa Acranes. Malapit lang siya sa dagat kaya medyo mahangin. And by the way guys, 7 PM na dyan pero maliwanag pa rin dahil summer nila dito ngayon, mas mahaba ang araw kaysa gabi. The next day, nag-grocery muna kami dito sa Bonus para may baunin kami at may mailuto kami sa next campsite natin. At yan yung view na madalas nyo makikita dito sa Iceland. Talagang hindi ka mananawa sa view dahil iba't ibang landscape ang makikita mo during our road trip. Ngayon, makikita nyo ang iconic lava moss. It acts as a fragile living carpet over rough volcanic rock. It takes up to a century to recover from a single footprint. Kaya pinagbabawal din nilang dumaan or tumapak dyan. Welcome to Aurora Igloo. Dito masarap mag Aurora Borealis watching at gumawa ng baby. Char! What? Nag-stop over lang kami dito guys para mag-wee-wee break. Saka na lang tayo gagawa ng baby na made in Iceland. Nakakahiyang tumuwad-tuwad dito guys. Kitang-kita kayo sa labas. Kaya wag na lang. So, nandito na tayo sa Akureyri, the second largest city in Iceland. Dito nyo rin makikita ang heart-shaped traffic light to spread positivity while driving. Talagang hindi init ang ulo nyo kasi tingnan nyo naman. Tapos, dito rin guys, may mga dumadaong na malalaking cruise ship. Dati pangarap ko din mag-work dyan pero wag na pala. Baka gawin lang akong pain dyan. After a long drive, matatry na rin natin ang viral hotdog na tinatawag nilang Philsur.
Magkano to? 800.
What?
So ayun na nga, totoo ang chismis. Sobrang mahal ng bilihin dito sa Iceland guys. Buti na lang nandito ang family ng husband ko na umampun sa amin during our stay here in Iceland. At ayun na nga guys, matutupad na ang pangarap ng aking asawa na makapag-gas dito sa Iceland. Makikita nyo ang excitement na may halong kaba dahil wala siyang idea kung gaano kamahal ang gas dito. By the way guys, Icelandic kroner po ang ginagamit nilang currency dito sa Iceland. Now let's go to our next destination which is Godafoss, our first waterfalls here in Iceland. Godafoss means waterfalls of the gods. According to the Icelandic history, around the year 1000, when Iceland officially adopted Christianity, a law speaker named Porger reportedly threw his pagan idols into this waterfall. Honestly, seeing it in person, photos really don't do justice. The water, the view, the sound, everything is giving main character in Iceland. So from history to waterfalls to road tripping across Iceland, our ring road adventure is just getting started. And if you think this is already breathtaking, wait until you see what's next, because Godafoss is only part 1. See you on part 2!